Guys, we are going to Bruges. Okay guys, bad news. As soon as we got off the train. Okay guys, we just got Belgian waffles from there and we gotta try this. Waiting for a tram in the tram station.
Yeah, so we'll take this tram to Brussels Central Railway Station, and from there we'll catch a train to Bruges.
Yeah,
She said our tram will be here very soon. Yay!
Okay guys, we are in the tram, but there is a big problem. Yeah, we got onto the wrong tram and it was crazy. We had to get out at the next stop. We went to the opposite direction and we had to get off at the next stop. Guys, that train is here. Yes, guys, the train has started to move. We're in the tunnel now. Bro, the reflection is crazy. Guys, we are in Bruges.
Just outside the railway station.
Just outside the railway station. Okay guys, bad news. As soon as we got off the train, I had to do my number one. It was so urgent. I had to me and my family were running around. It was so intense. And finally we found a McD where I'm in right now. Yes. Guys, we are entering the cathedral. Yo, it looks so big and old. Let's go see. Guys, apparently the cathedral is closed. I think it's lunch break, so we're gonna be Guys, we have reached a famous Belgium shop. See, it's this waffle shop. Chez Albert. It's pretty good, I guess. We're going there right now. And look at the other shops, bro. The street is crazy, bro. Crazy. Okay, guys. So, like, we just got Belgian waffles from there. And we gotta try this out. Okay, I'm gonna try these waffles out. Guys, let's see. I'm gonna try them out right now. I can't taste this out. So, it's like a perfect sweet. It's so good. Guys, we just found a fire truck cleaning the floor.
It's not a fire truck, it's a cleaning.
Oh, we just found some cleaning truck that looks like a fire truck cleaning the floor. I think we are entering. Here's the tickets.
Oh.